Hello guys, it's just me again. Today's weekend we're actually off going to Fab Racing on the pit bikes moto with James.
We're not going Fab.
What is it?
British mini bikes.
Well, don't look too angry.
We just said it would be a Fab weekend.
We're off racing, we're off to Whilton Mill, about an hour away I'd say.
3 hours.
3 hours away. This shows I don't actually know what I'm actually doing. James has entered me into this race. I haven't got my bike ready at all. But we're off for another pit bike race. So yeah, should be a good weekend. Excited for it. Meant to be sunny all weekend, but I haven't got any wet wheels, so fingers crossed it's meant to. Look, fingers crossed it's going to be sunny.
Sunshine!
Sunshine!
Look at the weather there, look.
Beautiful weather.
Beautiful.
But yeah, we're off to Margate.
3 hours, 10 minutes.
Oh.
From where we come from in Leeds.
There's go-karts going around. Didn't expect that at a go-kart track. Yes. These can't be hire cars. They're so fast. Right, just got everything unloaded. Everything's all done. Got all the setup all nice. Oh, hello, Jolien.
Bob, actually.
Bob. And if you're wondering why Jolien's sat over there, this is why.
Hang on, I'll pretend to get some beers out, shall I? Tablecloths on. You move the mat. Done the online thing. Done your online thing.
See that happen. Turns out the shower's been turned on the whole way. My duvet was in the shower. It's made my duvet as wet as an otters pocket. The sodding duvet.
How's your arm?
Oh yeah, you want my arms like this? I had the big injection.
Vaccination.
Yeah, the vaccination. I'm going to end up growing a third leg, an extra finger. It's not going to be good. So
look on the bright side.
On the bright
You've got
side,
5G.
Yeah, and I can go out clubbing soon. But yeah, gonna have an early night, probably have one Budweiser, listen to some music, then we'll head off inside and go to sleep. Right, morning time, and we're walking the track round Whilton Mill.
Track's good, weather's good. Should be an exciting race, really.
Bigger and faster than Red Lodge, I think.
Big?
Yeah.
You think it's bigger?
Is it?
Well, it's a better place to start. I didn't get you that.
Ooh. Right, so just got back from scrutineering and my bike did fail, but James is out now, so he said wait for him to come back and he'll sort it out, but it failed on the pipes, I think. James was speaking to the guy as I was signing on, but yeah, apparently it's this, I think. Look, it's meant to be dry, got no wets, and it's pouring over there. Oh, I don't really know what James is making or doing, but...
Well, you failed scrutineering again. Got to do something.
Got to provide something. We've had a horrendous experience so far. I've had to buy some more of that stuff.
Oh, that stuff.
That sort of stuff.
Pipage.
It's not ending out to look any good.
Are we on schedule?
I didn't make it out into my session, so James is now heading out for practice. I think the track's dried up. Bike's done. We're going down here. Yeah, James is heading out now for practice for qualifying. More work being done to my bike quickly before I head up for my session. James has just got back in and straight to my bike. All done, ready to go out for the second session.
It's go time, Louis.
It's go time.
He's out. Here he comes. The Dawson mate is out there.
No problem.
How is it?
Track's good, weather's good. Should be an exciting race, really.
Woo! How was it, Louis?
Track was good. Fast. There was a lot of crashes. A red flag. Every lap there was a crash on the start straight. We're very, very, very fast on that. Felt a bit twitchy, bike, but twitchy.
The thing is, you did 7 laps. Your fastest lap was on the 3rd lap.
Yeah.
By a mile.
Well, I didn't get a good.
You did a...
I didn't get a good lap in.
No.
Just got into gonna make a sandwich, chicken and sweet corn in a nice big baguette. But yeah, gonna check the tyre pressures on my bike. And let's go. Well, it started to rain. James's group's out right now. Are you changing the wets?
Yeah.
Putting a set of wets in. Only able to put one wet in on the front and a slick on the back.
Right, get one lap in. 2 minutes 16 left.
You should just about get 2 laps in, is that right? It's gone up to 5th. Did you go up?
Oh! He's got 1 second to get a lap in.
Speed demon. James, I think, is about to come in. Got 4th, so yeah. Yes, James! Oh, brilliant, brilliant. Just about to head out now for practice. No, not practice. It's because I'm a thingy behind. About to head out for qualifying. Got 1 qualifying. Been raining a fair bit, but I think the track's dried out now. Got the tyre warmers on. Should be good. Should be good.
Let's go. Let's build up faster. Louis in 8. Worried he might make the 8.
Weekend's over.
Here he comes. Should I just tell him to slow down?
So what happened there?
Pulled in a bit early, my bike didn't feel right. It was sort of like, I don't know, not misfiring, just felt a bit juddery going down the straight. So I pulled
Was it
in.
unrideable?
No, but I thought it could break something or, I don't know.
Scared?
Yeah.
So you finished in 19th, even though you were 8th earlier.
Yeah. I was 8th on the 4th lap, then dropped back to 19th.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't practice my start, they were doing their starts.
They're trying to figure out what's wrong with the bike.
Bob just cleaned the carb on the bike. I got into the being qualifying, so I'm alright with that. Yeah, I want to be in the B. I didn't want to be in the A. The A would have been too fast, I think. But yeah, now I got to the B. Pulled in because
Don't know.
no, I don't know. The bike's a bit playing up. It's a bit weird, this bike. I'm just about to go watch James' first race of the day. Just bought the spark plug. We're going to try and get up top so we can watch it. But yeah. Good start.
Not bad. Seen better.
Hi Joel, I'll take your bike. Just playing a bit of Minecraft before my race. Sweet Caroline, put it to the door. Ow, ow, ow.
The kids are. We're on to the iPhone 4. Come on. First kick! Inside the top 10.
Got 8th in that race today. It looked like I jumped the start, but I generally went on time, and I don't know why everybody else didn't go.
Insert clip.
Yeah.
Here.
But yeah, good start. Went up to, I think it was 8th, then I dropped back to 9th, then dropped back up to 8th on the last lap up the big corner, back end was sliding, carnage was about to go down, worked my way through. Yeah, got 8th. James.
Also on a more positive note,
Yeah.
did a 58.
Yep, knocked 4 seconds off.
So tomorrow,
Gonna knock another 4 off.
you have to sandbag.
Yep.
And then could be on for
Good day.
a top 5.
Yeah.
Is that the goal?
Well, I could do, because it's only a second, isn't it?
Yeah.
How was your James? How was your race, James?
My race was alright. We've sorted a few issues with the machine.
He's realised how to do the suspension.
Yeah.
He's been winding it in the wrong way.
Austrians work backwards.
Day 2.
Dog. That's David.
Davey, good boy.
And that's Charlie. They're James. And they're James's Rottweilers. Oh, it's the morning. James is out, it's about 9 o'clock. I've just got out of bed. Yeah. I found my batteries, Charlie.
Not me. Don't put me in it.
Right, James, how you feeling that session?
That's good. Looks good.
Do you sort your suspension out?
Yeah, a bit better.
Bit better. Trick track though.
Okay, I'm about to get changed.
Oh, fresh!
2 minutes left anyway.
Where'd he come?
Team 11. Oh. But some people might move up.
I got 8th in I got 11th in qualifying in my group, but then that's put me 20th in the Bs. But then I've just double checked, and now I've gone to 17th. So not totally sure where I got in qualifying, but we'll go down to the timing board and have a proper look. Squeak, you ready? You ready, Pipsqueak?
Of course, my back bikes do a lot of the conversion work for these machines.
Good start.
Joe Dickinson with the start, which Sean James had a look down the inside there, but Joe Dickinson getting the start now as they make their way through back to business.
So just having a bit of lunch. Still haven't been out for my race, but I've just brought new front spokes to put on the bike, so put that on, and yeah. Better head out now for my first race of the day. Just checked the bike, there's actually no oil in it, but it's alright, So I head out now for the first race, 17th on the grid. We'll hopefully pull some more positions off the start, so yeah. Race, I got a good start again, then it sort of dropped back as we adjusted the back brake and it made it a bit too sharp, so my back wheel was locking up into some of the corners. Got used to it. I got my fastest time that I've got, but I didn't really feel that good, so adjusted the back brake again, made it a bit more, so I just adjusted my back brake. But yeah, I've hardly got any oil in my bike, so I'm going to have to go buy some oil, and then I think it'll be enough time to go wash James. James just got back in. I think he got 6th or 5th. Yeah. Just gonna watch a bit of TV, have a banana, have some food, then get ready to head out for my next one. Right, just getting dressed now. We're heading out for the next race, second race. Gonna be try to be a bit more aggressive. But yeah, he's getting ready, more aggressive. Need to pass a bit more people off the start so I get further up. Best I've ever felt on that bike. Just come in and James is straight out after, so get a couple of clips of him, but I'll talk about my race after his. Well, that means I think it's time for me to get my leather rays on. James, is it time for me to get my leather rays on?
Fourth place.
Fast reach race.
BSB next year.
That's too... Right, so it's now Monday. It's the day after the Supermoto race. No, it's not. It's been about a month or so since I last actually filmed that video. I've been a bit slack recently, but I've got a very, very big video coming up soon with a motorbike company, what's called... It runs with Has. So yeah, I'm filming a video with them soon. But yeah, very excited to be showing you that. I'm going there tonight, but I thought I'd get this Whitton Mill video up from BNB up, I think this Wednesday or something. But yeah, hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. It means a lot to me if you're still watching it to the end of this video. So keep riding, keep ripping, like, share, subscribe. So yeah,